5 moves for fabulous arms. Are you ready to get fabulous arms? Walk through the free weight area in any gym, and my guess is the most common exercise you will see is the infamous bicep curl. It's just too easy to pass up. You grab a set of dumbbells and curl them up and down while your eyes dart around the room in boredom, hoping to see something a bit more creative you could do. Biceps are easily the most overtrained muscle on our body, and yet when it comes to getting fabulous arms, there is so much more in store for you beyond the traditional curl. You see bicep curls work, the biceps. That's great, but your arms are so much more. When you truly want to make changes in your arms, you want to work as many muscles as you can in as few exercises as possible. So here are 5 great exercises that work multiple arm muscles in one move, meaning you get more done in less time. All you need is a light set of dumbbells. Of course, as you get stronger, make sure you increase the weight enough so that you are struggling to finish your final rep. Perform each exercise for the specific reps listed. Rest at the end, and then repeat. Army crawl A. Begin in a plank position with your shoulders over your wrists, your feet together, and your body in a straight line. B. Bend your left arm so that it is now in forearm plank position. Then bend your right arm so you are in a full forearm plank position. C. Lift your left hand and place it on the mat directly below your shoulder as you push through your palm to lift yourself. D. As you reach the top, place your right palm on the floor under your right shoulder and push back into a full plank. Repeat, leading with the right arm. Perform 10 reps. You can do this exercise on your knees, too. Arnold Press A. Stand with feet hip distance apart, holding dumbbells at shoulder height with arms tight to the body, and palms facing in. B. Rotate wrists out and extend your arms overhead, and return to start with control. Perform 12 to 15 reps. Tricep Push-Up A. Lie down on one side, stacking your shoulders, hips, and feet. Bring top hand to the mat directly in front of your bottom shoulder. The bottom hand will be wrapped around your waist below your chest. B. The top arm does all the work as you press yourself up and lower yourself to the mat to your starting position. You will feel the tricep muscles on the back of the top arm working. Repeat on the other side. Perform 10 to 12 reps per side. Shoulder TA. Starting with feet together and dumbbells at sides. B. Engage abs and lift dumbbells to shoulder height. Open arms out to sides, rotating dumbbells parallel to the floor. C. Return dumbbells back to the front of the body and down to sides with control, working the shoulders. Move slowly through 10 to 12 reps. Bear walk A. Begin by getting onto all fours and then rise to your feet with your hands remaining on the floor. B. Crawl forward, starting with your right hand with your left foot following with the left hand and the right foot. Crawl forward 4 steps and back 4 steps for 30 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for timely information.